From the whispers of the waves to the chimes in the air, from deep down villages to the glamorous sky, from foggy mountains to the depth of the dark nights, Goa has always inspired emotions, ideas, and life. While memories were created, sung, and lived, there is one name that has stood facing the crowd as a reflection since a decade: the Goan Everyday. May it be politics, culture, sports, lifestyle, or local news, everything that matters and relate Goans matter us. The English Daily aims to provide an in-depth reporting and analysis on matters affecting the state, often highlighting stories that may be underrepresented in print media. It often features opinion pieces, editorials, and investigative reports that reflect the diverse perspective within Goan society. Holding hands of the changing trends and technology, the Goan Everyday has created its online presence, offering digital editions and updates to cater to a broader audience, including the Goan diaspora. The newspaper, known for its commitment to journalistic integrity and community engagement, celebrates a decade of fearless journalism and vows to stand ahead to be the mirror of the society.